Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find low competition niches with vidIQ. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. All right, so first off, when you go head over to the left panel, click on New Chat. Right here, just go ahead and type down list of low competition niches, and then just go ahead and click on this drop down. You can go ahead and use max and generate. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, it says low competition is exactly the right thing to hunt for this channel subscriber count. You win by going where the big channels aren't. Okay, let me pull real vidIQ competition data across your wheelhouse so this isn't a guesswork. Okay, so let's just wait for the process to finish right here. So here we have the data at the very top. Tier 1, best low competition niches. And it talks about hardware wallets, Windows fixes, and Discord and other Windows fixes. Okay. Here we have the keyword, Discord guide, Discord template, repair Windows 10 or 11, Trezor wallet, OneKey wallet. I've already made videos about OneKey right here. So how to fix automatic repair in Windows 10 or 11. Tier 2, strong volume, still beatable. Discord server template, Keystone wallets, and some other keywords. So what's the data is actually telling you? Hardware wallets are your single best lane. Look at the pattern, 70 score for Trezor wallet, so on and so forth, and that's rare. Bonus, crypto content carries some of the highest RPMs on YouTube. So these views are worth more per 1,000 views than your Windows tutorials. And Discord right here is your volume play. Okay. It says here, you should avoid the generic video editing lane. Every meaningful video editing keyword set at 38 to 57 competition. You'd be fighting Justin Brown and Phil Morris' own channel. The only crack is hyper-specific software solution or tutorials, not best editing software roundups. Okay, so that's good. So again, these are the low competition niches for your specific channel. And that is how you find it with vidIQ. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.